All right, let's take a look at multiples. So here's kind of a common question that you could see on multiples. So it says, which of the following are multiples of 17, right? And then you're given answer choices, 38, 49, 55, 68. Okay, and so the way that you go about solving something like this is you just start writing out the multiples, seeing which one's right. So 17, and then like 17 times 2 is 34. 17 times 3 is 51, right? And so at this point, I could eliminate 38 because that's not going to be correct. So we keep going up. 49, that's not going to be right. Okay, 51, and then add 17 more to 51. That gets us to 68. There's our answer, right? 68, 55 didn't work. 68 did. There we go. So that's how you do things like that. If it's a multiple question, they're asking you which of the following, just list them out, right? And make sure you take your time. Right, 17 is kind of a tricky number. Don't worry about it taking too long. That's just the process of going through it. Okay, and then they also could ask you common multiples, right? So common multiples here we'll say of 8 and 12 from 1 to 50. Okay, this is another question you could see. What are the common multiples of 8 and 12 from 1 to 50? So this is very, very similar to, it is least common multiple. You're just putting a limit on it from 1 to 50. Okay, so we go down our list. And it's not exactly the same, so you could have more than one. Okay, so 8 times 2 is 16. Then we're going to do this all the way up to 50. 8 times 3 is 24. 4 is 32. Add another 8, 40. And one more time, 48. All right, so there's all of the multiples of 8 all the way up to 50. Okay, and then for 12, we do the same thing. 12. Except that thankfully we don't have to write as many numbers down. 36, and one more, 48. Okay, and so they wanted to know which ones are the same, right? Okay, so as we're going down the list, 8, there's no 8 within 12, so we'll cross that guy out. 16, don't see him there, cross him out. 24, I see a 24 here, a 24 here, so that's a good one. 32, no, there was a 36, but no. 40, no. 48, yes. There's a 48 here, a 48 here, right? And so when they say, what are the common multiples of 8 and 12 from 1 to 50, is our answer would be 24 and 48.